If you stay with us for the next few minutes, you will learn 40 real English sentences you can use every single day.
These are simple sentences for daily life, at home, at work, and with friends.
By the end of this video, you won't just understand English.
You will actually speak English with more confidence.
Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and use these sentences with us.
Ready to speak English every day?
Let's begin. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Natural English Talk.
Today we are going to practice 40 daily English sentences you can use in real life.
Here's how this lesson works.
First, just listen to the sentences.
Then, repeat them with us.
After that, we will use them in small, real-life situations.
Speak out loud. Don't just listen in your head.
It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
All right, let's start with the first 10 daily English sentences. Now, just listen carefully. Don't repeat yet.
Here are the first 10 daily English sentences.
I wake up early every day.
I feel a little tired this morning.
I need a cup of coffee.
I'm getting ready for work.
I don't have much time.
I'll call you later.
Please wait for a moment.
I'm on my way.
I'll be there soon.
Let's start the day.
Great! Now you've heard the first 10 sentences.
Next, it's your turn to speak.
Now repeat each sentence after us.
Speak clearly and don't rush.
I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day.
I feel a little tired this morning. I feel a little tired this morning.
I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee.
I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work.
I don't have much time. I don't have much time.
I'll call you later. I'll call you later.
Please wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon.
Let's start the day. Let's start the day.
Excellent! You just spoke 10 English sentences.
Now, let's see how these sentences are used in real life.
Now let's listen to a real-life conversation.
Imagine it's early morning. Two friends are talking before work.
Listen carefully and notice how the daily English sentences are used naturally. Good morning, John. You look a bit sleepy today.
Yeah, I feel a little tired this morning.
Same here. I wake up early every day.
Me too. I need a cup of coffee.
I don't have much time. I'm getting ready for work.
That's okay. I'll call you later.
All right. Please wait for a moment.
Sure, I'm on my way.
Great. I'll be there soon.
Perfect. Let's start the day.
That was a short, real-life conversation.
This is how daily English sentences sound in real life.
Now listen to the next 10 daily English sentences.
This time, the speed is a little more natural.
Just listen. Don't repeat yet. I'm running a bit late today.
I didn't sleep very well last night.
I'll finish this and call you.
Can you help me with this?
I'll do it right away.
That sounds like a good idea.
I totally forgot about that.
Let me think about it.
I'll send you the details later.
See you later today.
Great! Those were 10 more useful daily English sentences.
Now, it's your turn to say them.
Now repeat these sentences after us.
Speak clearly and try to sound natural.
I'm running a bit late today.
I'm running a bit late today.
I didn't sleep very well last night.
I didn't sleep very well last night.
I'll finish this and call you.
I'll finish this and call you.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
I'll do it right away.
I'll do it right away.
That sounds like a good idea.
That sounds like a good idea.
I totally forgot about that.
I totally forgot about that.
Let me think about it.
Let me think about it.
I'll send you the details later.
I'll send you the details later.
See you later today.
See you later today.
Nice job. You're speaking more smoothly now.
Let's use these sentences in another real-life situation.
Now let's listen to a real-life conversation.
This time, two coworkers are talking at the office.
Listen carefully and notice how the daily English sentences are used naturally. Hey, John, you look a bit stressed today.
Yeah, I'm running a bit late today.
Oh no, traffic again?
Yes, and I didn't sleep very well last night either.
That's not a good start to the day.
I know, but it's okay. I'll finish this and call you later about the project.
Sure. By the way, can you help me with this report?
Of course, I'll do it right away.
Thanks. That sounds like a good idea. We can finish it together.
Yes, teamwork always helps.
Oh no, I totally forgot about that meeting at 10.
Don't worry, let me think about it. We still have some time.
Good. I was starting to panic.
Relax. After this, I'll send you the details later.
Perfect. That makes things easier.
All right, I have to go now.
Okay, see you later today.
See you.
Great listening.
You just heard how these sentences are used naturally at work.
Now, let's move to the next set of daily English sentences. Now listen to the next 10 daily English sentences.
Some will be slow.
Some a little faster. Just listen carefully. I'm feeling much better today.
I'm a little busy right now.
Can we talk later?
I'm almost done.
Give me a few minutes. I didn't expect that.
That makes sense.
I'll take care of it.
29. Thanks for letting me know.
I really appreciate it. Nice. You're now hearing English at a more natural speed.
Next, it's time to say these sentences yourself.
Now, repeat these sentences after us.
Try to sound relaxed and natural.
I'm feeling much better today. Your turn.
I'm a little busy right now. Repeat.
I'm a little busy right now. Your turn.
Can we talk later? Say it.
I'm a little busy right now. Your turn.
I'm almost done. Your turn.
I'm almost done. Your turn.
Give me a few minutes. Repeat.
I'm almost done. Your turn.
I didn't expect that. Say it.
I didn't expect that. Your turn.
That makes sense. Your turn.
I didn't expect that. Your turn.
I'll take care of it. Repeat.
I didn't expect that. Your turn.
Thanks for letting me know. Say it.
I didn't expect that. Your turn.
I really appreciate it. Last one. Your turn.
I really appreciate it. Your turn. Fantastic. Your speaking is getting more natural.
Let's move to the final set of daily English sentences.
Now listen to the last 10 daily English sentences.
This time, the speed will sound more like real conversation.
Just listen and focus. 31. What are you up to today?
32. I'm just relaxing at home.
33. That sounds like fun.
34. I'm looking forward to it.
35. I'll keep that in mind.
36. It depends on the situation.
37. I'm not sure yet.
38. Let's see how it goes.
39. I'll get back to you soon.
40. Talk to you later.
Great listening. That was all 40 daily English sentences.
Now, it's your turn to say them.
Now, repeat these last 10 sentences after us. Speak smoothly and naturally. What are you up to today? Your turn.
I'm just relaxing at home. Repeat.
That sounds like fun. Say it.
I'm looking forward to it. Your turn.
I'll keep that in mind. Repeat.
It depends on the situation. Say it.
I'm not sure yet. Your turn.
Let's see how it goes. Repeat.
I'll get back to you soon. Say it.
Talk to you later. Last one. Your turn.
Amazing! You just spoke all 40 daily English sentences.
Now, let's use them in a quick speaking challenge.
All right, now it's your turn to use these sentences in real life. Let's make it fun.
We will ask questions. You answer in English using any of the sentences you learned. Don't worry, take your time.
Speak out loud. Really, say it like you mean it. You wake up in the morning. What do you say first about your day? Go ahead, answer.
You are late for work. What do you tell your friend? Come on, say it.
You are busy right now. Which sentence can you use? Give it a try.
Someone helps you. How do you respond politely? Your turn. Nice and easy.
You don't understand something. What can you ask? Try it now.
You want more time. What do you say? Say it confidently.
You feel happy about a plan. What sentence can you use? Go ahead. Your answer.
You don't know the answer yet. What do you say? Take your time. Respond.
You are going to leave and come back soon. What do you say? Your turn. Almost done.
You want to end a phone call politely. What do you say? Say it now, nicely.
Fantastic. You're not just repeating, you're really using English. That's amazing.
Exactly. That's how real fluency grows. Keep it up. You're doing great.
All right, wow, you've done an amazing job so far. You listened, you repeated, and you even spoke on your own.
Now it's time to check how much you remember. Let's see what you've got.
We'll describe real-life situations. You pause the video and say the correct sentence out loud. Sounds good? Let's go. You wake up in the morning and you feel very sleepy. What can you say? Go ahead, speak it out loud.
You can say, I feel a little tired this morning. Great. You're getting ready to leave home and you want to tell your friend you're coming soon. What do you say?
You can say, I'm on my way, or I'll be there soon. Perfect. You are not ready yet and someone is waiting for you. What sentence can you use?
You can say, give me a few minutes. Exactly.
You forgot something important, like a meeting or a message. What do you say?
You can say, I totally forgot about that. That's okay. Happens to everyone.
Your friend shares a good plan and you like the idea. What can you say?
You can say, that sounds like a good idea. Nice.
You are busy and cannot talk right now. What do you say?
You can say, I'm a little busy.